Welcome! In this video we will show the MS-DOS application DosFax LITE. Created in 1992 by Delrina Corporation in Toronto, Canada. DosFax Pro, along with WinFax Pro, were software products created to send and receive faxes for Microsoft Windows and DOS. On the right, we have a FaxTalk Multiline Server version 10 status window. On the left, DosFax is detecting and initializing the modem. Normally, this would be done via the auto-exec batch file executed when the machine is powered on. Today, we are going to send a 2-page fax from FaxTalk software running Windows 11 to the DosFax LITE software on the same machine, running under the DOSBox-X emulator software. FaxTalk is now dialing the fax number connected to the DosFax virtual machine. The machine is connected to a fax modem via serial port on COM1. On the DosFax machine, you can see DosFax has answered the call and is displaying the status on the top right corner. FaxTalk is now sending a 2-page fax. This will take approximately 3 minutes to transmit to the DosFax machine. DosFax also has the capability of capturing the printer output, so any document you could print could also be faxed. It could also continue to receive or send faxes while in other DOS applications. This was possible due to the use of a TSR, Terminate and Stay Resident program. We can view a directory listing or do other things in DOS while it continues to receive the fax. Typing DosFax will start the DosFax LITE administrator. From here you can manage phone books, print and view faxes, and adjust the DosFax configuration. We can view the sent or received faxes by clicking on the Send or Receive log. Let's view some other received faxes while waiting for the current fax to complete. Let's increase the speed of the DosFax virtual machine. That's a bit faster. While we are waiting for the fax to complete, I can tell you about the first modern fax machine. It was developed by Magnavox as was marketed and sold by Xerox. It was known as the Xerox Magnafax telecopier. While versions of a fax machine existed much earlier, this was the machine that started it all. It hooked up to a standard telephone line in any office. It could send a page anywhere in the world in approximately 4 minutes. In 1966, the monthly lease was $50, a cost of approximately $6,000 a year today if adjusted for inflation. And that did not include the telephone line or long-distance costs. We're still waiting for that fax. The 2 sample pages we sent from the FaxTalk software will transmit at a speed of 14,400 bps, about 1 minute and 30 seconds for each page. On average, a fax page will take 1 minute per page. These specific pages take longer due to the graphics and quality of the image. The actual image quality is 200 dots per inch by 200 dots per inch. This is considered fine resolution for fax. This is the compatible standard for all modern Group 3 fax machines used in the late 1980s and still used today. The fax is completed. Let's look at the results. Let's click on the Receive menu option, and then select Receive log. Select the latest received fax, and click View. These are the fax pages we received from FaxTalk. They look like perfect facsimiles. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it and want to see more of these types of videos, please subscribe and maybe a thumbs up. Looking for more information on FaxTalk software? Visit our webpage at www.getfaxing.com.